Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use dual apps on Vivo V50 Lite 5G. If you're using Vivo V50 Lite 5G and now you want to use dual apps, so let's see how you can do this. Basically, dual apps are the copies of original apps. You just have to enable the settings, open settings, look for apps, select it, then select app clone here, and here you'll get some apps for which you can easily make clones. Just enable the setting for the app which clone you want to make, and I'm going to make a clone of WhatsApp. So just enable it, and as you can see the clone app has been done. Just tap on, just go back, and here you will get clone app of your WhatsApp. If you have, here's the WhatsApp original, and this is clone app, a dual app or the copy of original WhatsApp. So that's how you can easily use dual apps or clone app in your Vivo V50 Lite 5G. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.